How to create a community on your Reddit. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to create a community on Reddit. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So first just open your Reddit, and after opening your Reddit you just have to come here to community, click here on this three line and click create a community. Here you have to choose your community name, for example, music, I don't know, description, music, fun. Here I have to complete 60 words. Right now I add my information, my community name, my description. Right now I will click next. And if I want to add a banner or avatar, if I don't want, I just click next. And here choose the interest or the community topics. For example, I'm just using this randomly. Click next here. Click if you wanna here if you wanna use your community as a public or private. For example, I wanna make my community private. Click here. Click next. And that's it, guys. So don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.